Hello everyone and welcome to today's question. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve 8 minus 10 divided by 2 correctly. So we used what we know as the PEMDAS rule. Now with this question, we have a negative sign and a division sign. From left to right, that is the PEMDAS law, you can see division comes before subtraction. So we first take on 10 divided by 2 and our answer becomes 5. Now what we have is 8 minus what we had for this, which is 5. And everyone can also testify to it that 8 minus 5 gives us nothing else but 3. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye.